Gabby, and I'm here with two friends. They're gonna say hi. Cole. Say hi, Nicole. Oh. Nikki, say hi. And then, huh? Is it Nikki? Oh my god. It's Nikki 8. This is our my little grade. Yeah. Let's go to Nikki's den, Miranda. Who are you? Who is she? You know it's unlocked, right? Their name is EverBoss9. Huh? You know the girl? I don't know. It's up to you. Guys, I'm an owl! You are in Nicole's den. Is your dad gone, Miranda? Where'd he go? Oh. Ah. Yeah, so there's just hangouts and we're playing Animal Jam. Nikki's decorating her den. Nikki, I'm recording, so shh. Hey! I'm at your den, Miranda. Nikki, oh my god, she's at your den. Ask her. Let's see who she is. Nikki, oh my god. You're not even like playing. So we're still trying to figure out who this person from. Ow! Lock your den, you go right here. And then it says unlock or lock den, and then, yeah. Huh? Right here to the settings button. Oh, jeez, my little brother. I hacked my little brother, too. Cause he... But Nikki... You click this game button, and then you pick a game that you want to play. Yeah. Let's play Sky High together. Oh, you can't play Sky High together, can you? Nikki, calm the frick down! Okay, Miranda, I'll host a game so we can play together. So, Nikki, calm the frick down. You calm your face down. Hey guys, spot on is ×2 gems. Burped. Whoa, look at this! I'm sorry, but this is adorable. I want to be... Ooh, click to start. What is this? Let's see. My little brother. Yeah! Cool. What the heck? Is this a baboon? Oops. The three-toed sloth. Cool. What the heck is this? Let's see. What's a black panther, eastern gray kangaroo. Guys, I suck at this game. What? Okay. I'm gonna play that game because that game seems fun. This one's not fun. Sorry if your favorite game is Spot On. Best dressed. We'll see if I can join. Wait. Oh, never mind. I'll play and then it might let me. Cool. Not me. I'm already playing. Yeah, guys. So yeah. I've never done a video with my friends. I've never done a video on Hangouts with my friends, so this is really laggy though. You're not? Then who are you? No, then get off Hangouts. You what? So let's see, guys. Look at this. I love it. Huh? Oh yeah. Yeah, I did that on purpose. Yeah. Okay, we gotta dress the most elegant. So let's see if this thing will load. Let's put on his potty hat. Potty hat. No. So I'm looking really elegant. I look so beautiful, guys. I look the most elegant, don't I? The only flying thing here. My chesticle. Am I the only one that had a party family? Are you serious? I'm the only one that ate a party? Am I the only member? I don't think so. Yes, I am. Uh-huh. Just joking. Please win, please win, please win, please win. I swear. Something else, I swear. Oh my freaking god. That's the person I voted for. How did they win? Yes. Not Gmail? Oh, can I not?